Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install Android apps from the Google Play Store on your Dell Chromebook 3400. So first of all, let's launch the Google Play Store. Normally it would appear either on your dock or you can also open it from the launch menu. It's always on your laptop and cannot be uninstalled, so you should definitely have it somewhere. Now, all of the applications available for Android devices are also available for your laptop. It doesn't mean that they will be working perfectly on your laptop though. But to find and download an application, you basically have to follow the same steps you would do on the Android phone. So you can open the search menu and search for a particular application that you want to download, or you can just search for an application by categories, and to install it you have to simply click install on the applications page, and then wait until this application is installed on your laptop. Once the app is installed, you'll be able to run it straight from the Google Play Store, where you can also uninstall the application, or you can simply open the launch menu and find your new application right here. And now you can start using your newly installed application. You can also uninstall it from the launch menu if you right click an application and select uninstall option. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.